This is my Windows 11 taskbar, and no, I didn't switch to Mac OS. This is a free and open source mod running on my Windows 11 machine. And it's one of the 5 open source tools that I use daily but haven't talked about yet. WindHawk. This is the app that's giving my taskbar a smooth macOS like animation. WindHawk is a Windows 11 modding app that allows you to make small but meaningful tweaks to how your Windows looks and feels. There are also a lot of other mods that allow you to make your taskbar, the start menu, the notification area, and your file explorer transparent like this. And there are a lot of other mods too that allow you to make many other customizations, like making your taskbar vertical. Notepads, not Notepad, Notepad with an S, is a lightweight replacement for the built-in Windows Notepad app, minus the bloat that it comes with.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
It is extremely customizable, and did I mention that it's transparent? Flow Launcher. This app is an alternative to apps like Raycast. It is an app launcher and a file search tool that you can open with a simple shortcut. The cool thing about this is that it has a lot of plugins. Like I have this Obsidian plugin setup right here that allows me to search all my words for all my notes extremely quickly. I can also do extremely important calculations, and it allows me to search the web really quickly without opening a browser. For example, I can search a potato and I get a potato. Now I integrate this with another tool. This tool allows me to search quite literally any file on my computer instantly. For example, I have a brain dump file stored somewhere on my computer, and I can just search for brain dump key points and bam! It's here. Now with a plugin that comes pre-installed with Flow Launcher, I can just directly search for any file on my computer from the Flow Launcher interface itself. And while everything search itself is not open source, it is a freeware app, meaning that you can use it without paying a single penny. LocalSend. If you have Apple devices, you probably use AirDrop. Or if not, then you might remember apps like Zender that allowed you to share files and apps between devices. LocalSend is just like those services, but it is open source and ad-free, and it works between different devices. So you can share stuff from iPhone to Android, or PC to iPhone, or MacBook to Android. You get the point, right? It runs on your Wi-Fi, and your data stays private and safe. And because it runs on your Wi-Fi, it is pretty fast. Also, this is a plug-and-play app, so you basically download the app on the devices you want to share the apps and files on, and you share the files, just as simple as that. Thunderbird. I have a very bad habit of making a new email every once in a while for the most useless reasons ever, and managing those emails becomes a mess. Even at this point, I have like 4 to 5 emails, and all of them are active. And that is after the fact that I already deleted like 3 to 4 of my emails, and I still have this many. And I just found an open source and free app that allows me to manage these emails a lot more easily. Thunderbird is a desktop email app that allows you to work with all your emails at one place. The setup now is also pretty easy. You just log in using your Google or email account and it's done. I have all my emails on Thunderbird and it works pretty well. It also recently got a redesign called Supernova, which didn't make it the most modern app in the world, but it makes it much more usable than what it was before, especially compared to the apps like the new Outlook. So that's it for this video, recapping the tools we have. WindHawk for Windows customization, Notepads as a cleaner notepad, Flow Launcher as an app/file launcher that's very fast and you can integrate it with everything search to find basically every file on your computer extremely easily. If you want to share those files, you can use LocalSend, and if you want to place for all your emails, then Thunderbird is a good app. If you want to watch more open source tools that I actually use, you can click on this video right here, and have a nice day.